Hey guys, TonZaga here. Today we're going to install our Magpul B.A.D lever, battery assist device, on our DPMS Oracle. Let me get this open here and get this going. I'll take the upper off. It's a little easier to work with here. Basically it's got basically a kind of a door on the back here. Basically what's going to happen, it's going to slide over your forward assist. This is going to enclose it around there, and this will be on the other side of the trigger. So you can push this to activate the assist with your trigger finger without taking your hand off. You don't lose your rhythm if you're in the zone. So we'll slip this on here first. I'll hold that in place while we put the door on. And this just has a Allen screw and a provided key. And this does have blue Loctite on it as well. So just get that in there. Get started. Just tight enough. Okay, get this lever back on. Alright. So here, get the B.A.D lever installed there. So basically when you, I'll go get a magazine real quick. So if you have a magazine, shoot your last round. Also, your charging handle is going to stay back. You'll be shooting, and instead of reaching your hand off the handguard over here to push, you get a little lever right here inside the trigger guard. And you're shooting, go to reload, magazine, hit the lever with the trigger finger, and you're right back on the trigger, ready to go. So that is the Magpul B.A.D lever installed on the DPMS Oracle. Hope this helped you out. It was a pretty simple install. So I'll be doing a few more videos. Got a few more mods to put on it so far, and we'll be back with another video shortly. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey guys, TonZaga here. If you enjoyed the video you just watched, be sure to check out more videos by clicking this link and click here to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.